Welcome back to another episode of Foodie in Your 30s. I'm Jaden, and today I'm going to be making this little recipe, Asian-style chicken and rice. Now, this recipe is from a cookbook that I released almost 10 years ago. It was sort of like a project that I had in mind, so I was looking through it and decided to revisit some of these recipes. So before we take a look at the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe, help me out by liking, subscribing, and commenting below. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients we're going to need for this Asian-style chicken and rice. Alrighty, first we want to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now, in our pan, we're going to go ahead and add some oil. I'm using a little bit of grapeseed oil and some sesame oil. Next, I'm going to add the chicken and add the salt and pepper to my chicken. That is all the seasonings we're going to need for this dish. Once your chicken is seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and flip it over and do the exact same thing. We're gonna add our salt and pepper to the other side. Now, the point of this is to brown the chicken. We don't wanna fully cook the chicken in the pan. The chicken will finish cooking when we bake it. After a few minutes, our chicken has been browned, and we're going to remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside so we can begin preparing the other ingredients. To the pan, I'm going to add the minced garlic and minced ginger. Saute that for a few minutes, then add our green onions. After a couple minutes, add in our mushrooms. Again, we don't want to fully cook the mushrooms because they will finish cooking in the oven. Next, go ahead and add in our rice. We're going to slightly fry the rice along with all the ingredients. And once that is done, we are going to add our stock. I'm using mushroom stock, but you can always use chicken stock, vegetable stock, even beef stock if you'd like. Go ahead and mix that through and wait for it to boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to go ahead and return the chicken into our pan. We're gonna cover it and we are gonna place in our preheated oven for 25 minutes. And that is it. Just wait for it to finish cooking in the oven and enjoy. So here we are with our Asian chicken and rice. Let's go ahead and take a bite out of this chicken. It looks really moist. The skin is crispy, it's so tender. And so flavorful. Now, the rice. This rice and the mushrooms is a very simple dish, but it smells amazing. You can really smell the ginger and the garlic. The rice is cooked to perfection. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and let me know in the comments below if you wanna see more one-pot meals. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foodie in Your 30s for more easy and amazing recipes. Until next time.